should have been recording. Everybody, welcome to another little video by yours truly, Peter Draws. Look, sometimes I have sketchbooks just chock full of these little etchings, sketchings, mystical, lyrical languages. And you might be wondering, do these mean anything? Could they possibly mean anything? And the answer is yes and no. I want to help you learn how to make your own mystical, unknown languages of your own today. So grab a sketchbook, just any old scrap of paper, and a pen. I'll use a fancy pen, but you don't really need a fancy pen. I just am because I can, and I'm kind of addicted to fancy pens. But look, so basically what I do is, let me zoom in for you. Hello? Did I say hello to everybody? Hello. Look, I'm going to write out, I'm going to dictate to you, like, hello. My name is Peter Draws. I like drawing. Right? So that's one way to write out things. But you can also, you know how some languages go like this, but then some languages have like more of a big, like tall rectangular fashion, like Chinese characters. You can also be like, like hello, my name is Peter Draws. Here's like drawing. Right? That's basically how it works. And look, to be honest, I'm going to let you on a big secret right now, which is that this doesn't mean anything. Like, wait, did I say this means Peter? Look, to be honest, this word right here looks a little too much like the word Peter, like how I'd really write it out. But usually I try to obfuscate it a little bit more. Like if I was going to write Peter, it would be more, I'm addicted to writing the P the same way. I'll just write it out any old way. And you can, whatever type of language you like in letters and stuff, you can kind of adopt those. So, but the secret I'm trying to let you in on is that these letters, they don't mean anything. I have no actual alphabet or language that I'm using, and obviously you might notice that I like big cursive-y stuff and big cursive F's and swoops and swirls and stuff like that. Okay, but those are I like drawing, and writing is drawing lines that come into the shapes of words. And I realized at some point that I don't really care what the words are. I just want to write the shapes. So then I just started writing my own shapes, and it could be anything. I didn't really care. So, but a lot of times when I'm writing these, I do have words in my mind that I'm writing, but they don't really end up corresponding to anything, right? But you can get dramatic with it. And then you draw arrows, connecting things, and then people think you're making some, crazy, diagrams, and I think you can have a good time with it. But you can make your own alphabet too if you want. I think it's pretty cool. I have made a few of my own alphabets in the past, and people have cracked them before. It's, a lot of these do look like other alphabets that exist in real life. But anyways, I don't know what I'm trying to say to you anymore, but you get the idea. This is one letter. This means hello. Okay? Just have fun with it. Scribble around. And this way, you can write comic strips without actually having to write any real dialogue, and it still sounds fine. It looks great. Knock yourself out. What do you guys think? If you write any, tag me on Instagram. I'll come look at it, and I'll try to decipher it. And hopefully, if you did it right, it'll be impossible. All right. Bye, everybody.